So let's go ahead and make a Margherita pizza. For the Margherita pizza, we need to get the fresh mozzarella, San Marzano tomatoes crushed with a little sea salt, fresh basil, some extra virgin olive oil. We're going to take about 3 ounces of the crushed San Marzano tomatoes, place them onto your pizza crust, and you're going to distribute that over the pizza crust evenly. Once we've done that, we're going to take the fresh mozzarella, break it into bite-sized pieces or whatever size pieces you'd like, and we're going to top the pizza with that. Some people like more cheese, some people like less, so it goes with as much as you'd like. Then we're going to take a little extra virgin olive oil and swirl it around the pizza. We're going to put a little bit of the sea salt sparingly over the pizza, and then take some of the fresh basil leaves, tear them up, and distribute them over the pizza. Enjoy!